Welcome back, everyone. Today we're unpacking an explainer on something that literally keeps Chief Information Security Officers up at night. We're talking about the hidden dangers lurking right inside your security metrics. You know the old saying, right? What gets measured gets managed. But, well, what happens when the very things we're measuring are actually creating massive unseen risks within our own organizations? Let's break down the psychology of metric paralysis, look at the audit disasters it causes, and most importantly, walk through a highly structured plug-and-play solution. So, are your security KPIs secretly making you less secure? I know, it sounds totally backward, right? We just naturally assume that setting really strict, high-bar metrics means we're running a tight ship. But honestly, we need to completely reframe how we look at security failures. A lot of what we call a security failure isn't actually a lack of technical skill at all. It's really just a predictable human behavioral response to poor management design. Think about it. When you design a system that essentially punishes honesty, you're absolutely going to get a system full of hidden flaws. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the trap of perfection, when flawless metrics fail. In the operational reality of information security, management absolutely loves flawless expectations. You know, targets like perfect mean time to detect an incident or demanding zero-tolerance compliance thresholds. And sure, those sound absolutely fantastic in a boardroom. The assumption is, hey, if we set the bar at absolute zero tolerance for unpatched servers, the team's just going to work harder to achieve it, right? But when operational teams actually face these completely unrealistic KPIs on the ground, well, it breeds a culture of fear. Instead of asking for help or admitting they need more resources, they end up hiding or misreporting those security metric failures. They literally sweep vulnerabilities under the rug just to keep the dashboard green. And frankly, a bright green dashboard that is actively hiding a 5-alarm fire is infinitely more dangerous than a red dashboard that just tells the truth. Which brings us to Section 2, the audit nightmare, the threat of major non-conformance. Because here's the thing about those hidden internal behavioral issues, they really don't stay hidden forever. The whole illusion of perfection completely shatters the moment an independent auditor starts digging into the evidence. And that's when you face a massive external compliance disaster. First, the auditor discovers that key security KPIs are consistently being missed month over month. That's bad enough, right? But the fatal blow, the real nail in the coffin, is what comes next. They find out that no documented corrective actions were initiated. Because the team was absolutely terrified of that zero-tolerance culture, they just silently let the failures slide. And this exact scenario triggers a dreaded major non-conformance under the timeless objectives clause of your security standard. A major non-conformance basically means your entire management system has fundamentally broken down. It all boils down to this exact terrifying audit warning from our source material. Key security KPIs are consistently missed month over month with no documented corrective action initiated. That right there is the ultimate compliance trap. Management sets the KPIs way too rigidly. The team hides from them, corrective actions are never taken because the failure is never openly acknowledged, and suddenly your entire certification is on the line. All right, let's pivot to the remedy. Section 3, a proven KPI framework, the DFY solution to metric paralysis. Fortunately, there's a way out of this metric paralysis. You really don't have to guess what a realistic, auditor-approved metric looks like, and you certainly shouldn't risk your team falling into that zero-tolerance trap. The solution outlined on our source is the Done-for-You KPI tracker from the ISO 27001 Institute, which operates under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. And let me be clear, this isn't just some random spreadsheet you download from a blog somewhere. This is a highly authoritative tool created by an organization with decades of expertise in making compliance and certification easy. Utilizing a professionally crafted tool like this just completely removes the guesswork. It is a massive source of operational relief. To put that into perspective, just look at the sheer breadth of this thing. The tracker features 80 meticulously crafted operation key performance indicators, and the beauty is, these aren't your typical overly punishing metrics. They're specifically designed to give you the detailed insights and benchmarks you actually need for informed decision-making, without forcing your IT and security ops teams to hide their honest day-to-day operational hurdles. And it gets even more granular from there. 15. Those 80 KPIs are cleverly distributed across 15 distinct vertical niches within information security operations. So whether you're tracking access control, incident management, or even physical security, this framework gives you the exact metrics to track, manage, and optimize your operations in a way that's actually realistic and transparent.
We can trust these metrics because they weren't just created in a vacuum. They were designed by a highly qualified committee made up of 3 distinct expert groups: industry experts, principal auditors, and lead instructors. I mean, think about that combo for a second. You've got the people who actually do the work, the people who audit the work, and the people who teach the standard itself. Because this committee has already done all the heavy lifting for you, you're guaranteed metrics that are both operationally realistic and totally audit-proof.
Let's move to our final section, Section 4, Fast-Tracking ISMS Maturity, from Vulnerable to Compliant in Minutes.
Now, it's one thing to have a great framework. It's a completely different thing to actually get it running in your organization, right? But getting this deployed is surprisingly simple. It's a 3-sheet editable Excel tracker. You just secure the file, swap out the hypothetical logo for your own organization's logo, and then do a quick find and replace for placeholders like ABC Technologies Private Limited or the acronym ABCTPL, swapping them out with your actual company name. Literally, that's the whole shebang. This customization process takes just a couple of minutes and totally removes all that traditional friction we normally associate with compliance documentation.
And the return on investment for those few minutes of work is just staggering. As our source explicitly notes, sincere and serious implementation of the contents gives you a head start in ISMS maturity by 15 to 20 years. Seriously. By simply adopting a framework built by principal auditors and industry experts, you instantly bypass all those decades of trial, error, audit failures, and completely toxic zero-tolerance KPI cultures that so many other organizations suffer through. You get to leapfrog straight to a mature, highly functioning state. So what does this all mean for you? I'll leave you with this final, provocative question. Will you stay trapped by unrealistic, zero-tolerance metrics that just force your teams to hide the truth and risk a major non-conformance? Or are you going to secure your 15 to 20-year head start today by adopting a proven, expert-crafted framework? The choice between an audit disaster and streamlined compliance is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer today. Keep learning, and as always, stay secure.